Hey everybody, so this is how you make crystal elixirs. So the way that I'm going to do it is an indirect method, which means the crystals do not actually touch the water. This is the recommendation that I have for everybody. I would not recommend anyone to put any crystals in water unless you're a certified crystal healer or you've done some kind of course in crystal healing, so you know the crystals you're talking about. Okay, so this is the easiest way to do it. All you need is a glass jar or just any kind of glass bowl or cup to put the water in, and then you also need to be able to cover it with something so that nothing gets in the water. So I use jars. I use a lot of reusable jars, and then obviously you just need your crystals, and all you do is you fill this with filtered water like so. Okay, so once you've got your water put in there, you just put a cover on it, and simply all you do is you just place your crystals around the jar. Let's show you. I kind of like doing it in a bit of a like crystal grid. I highly recommend always putting some clear quartz in, because it just the clear quartz amplifies all the other crystals in it. Okay, see how I've kind of done it there? So all around it, because all the energy is going to go through, it actually goes through the glass, and the water will absorb all the energy of the crystals. So try and surround your cup with as much crystals as possible. If you've only got 2 or 3 or 4, just put one at the front and put one at the back. You only need little ones, you don't need big ones. So that's how you do it, and you leave it there overnight. I'd probably suggest leaving it in the moonlight, even no matter what phase the moon is in. That's always the best. And you can also do it during the day. Just be careful if it's a really hot day not to leave it for more than 2 or 3 hours. That would be my suggestion. Okay, so that's how you actually make crystal elixir water. And then once you've actually made this, you can use it for a whole range of different things. You can drink it, and you can also use it for a cleansing spray, which I have a tutorial on how to make cleansing spray, which I will also put in the description, a link to that. Okay, so that's how you make the crystal elixir indirect method.